Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to restore deleted EFI system partition in Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Command Prompt. Type Diskpart. Type list disk. Star indicates the system partition type is GPT or EFI. Type list part. No system partition is available. Select primary partition, in my case primary partition is 3. Shrink space, desired equal to 100 space, minimum equal to 100. Type create space, partition space, EFI space, equal to 100. System partition create successfully. Format space, quick space, fs equal to fat32 space, label equal to double quote system double quote. Type assign letter equal to Q. Type list vol. No C drive letter is assigned, first volume 1 is assigned to C drive. Type cell vol 1. Now C drive is assigned to volume 1. Windows installed drive letter is C. Type bcd boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows space, /s space, assigned drive letter colon space, /f space, UEFI. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.